here at Matsuura. I'm with Mark Cumberland. Now we're often looking at Matsuura's hardware, looking at their machines, their technology. Today we're talking software. Mark, behind us here we've got your iMonitor.
Yes.
Can you explain what it is and what it does?
Well, iMonitor was a piece of software which was developed by Matsuura in the UK to support our multi-pallet machines. And basically what it's trying to do is to schedule work through the machine tool in terms of its availability of tools, pallets against the schedule that has been adhered to the machine.
So give me an example of the benefit then to that. Give me an area where it would improve things.
Let's say for argument's sake you're running unmanned throughout the night. Before the operator goes home, he can run the schedule, and with the amount of tool life that is available on all the tools in the tool magazine, it will predict when the man needs to return to the machine tool. So if there's a tool in the library which has a limited life, it will tell the operator before he goes home. If he changes that tool, he can then run through to the next morning.
Okay, will it also schedule and plan the components in the order that is best for production, for example?
It can work however you wish the Matsuura to work. The Matsuura basically has three different modes of running, either continuous, which is like pallets 1 to 32, or with any other arrangement of pallet order that you want to put to the machine.
And does this work in conjunction with all of your pallet machines? I note on the screen you've got your MX330, your MAM72, your 520. Is it easy to integrate to those?
Yes, so you can have any number of Matsuuras attached to the iMonitor software.